So if you'd like to ask questions of Umberto or me or the dancers, or
I'd like to ask Umberto two questions actually. First of all, were the dancers able to communicate to you specifically what paintings they were dancing to?
when you watch them, can you tell?
Could you tell? Yes. Well, could you tell what painting they were interpreting when they were dancing?
I think that they was, for example, they saw in the beginning that the painting,
Yes.
this boat and things, and different, you know. And later I saw something about forest also, and something about the freedom with winds, and in general with many things.
But you weren't. It sounds like you weren't able. This painting here was pointed out before as one of the paintings they're going to interpret. And I'm curious as to whether you were able to interpret anything else here, because I associated several of them here. The first two dances I interpreted with the color blue.
Yeah.
And I wasn't able to distinguish which one it was.
Exactly.
The last one, I thought that this was one of the ones that they may have been interpreting, or perhaps this one over here.
What were the last
But I think that the dance also is an open thing. That you know, the dancer go to another point in the room.
And many of the paintings share similar imagery too. Right. There's a lot of overlap in imagery from this one to this one, for example, for this grouping. So the imagery can move a little. But if, the third one we were working with, the Nikki solo was with this painting. And the final dance with all four of them is the one that's sort of on that wall back there. You can see it from here to go down into that area.
Oh, yes.
Yes. That was the final one that we were working.
What was the next to the last one?
Maria's dance, yes. I'm gonna have to ask her because I told her to just pick one. I didn't tell her which one.
Which one was yours?
Your solo, which one were you working with?
Whether this one or this one. I think this one.
But see, this one or the
she's working
the suitcases?
Yeah.
Okay.
I definitely saw the suitcase.
Right.
The other question I had for you was, did you get any ideas for future paintings from the way that they danced?
From the way they dance.
Yes, it's possible, because I am an open mind for everything that I around me. And, you know, and you have to be careful because I take everywhere.
You'll see the dance now in the painting.
Yes. I take all the time. So.
When we were in our rehearsal, we found some paintings easier to work with than others too.
Yes.
And sometimes there would be emotional resonances that could even get scary sometimes, you know.
No, but in reality, I'm looking for ideas in everything. Literature, music, dance, theater, everything. So, and the lack, of course, my principal.
So he has to grab the
all the time.